Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix no service or signal issues on your iPhone 15 Pro. To temporarily reset all the networks on your iPhone, just toggle on the airplane mode. To do that, swipe down the control center and tap on the airplane. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and then tap on it once again. This will refresh all connection types on your smartphone. Besides, we can also go to Settings, select Cellular. Now make sure that the cellular data is enabled, and to toggle it, turn off the line of your carrier by switching this toggle to the left, and then turn it back on and see if this improved your signal. Besides, you can also refresh the temporary data, the temporary memory of your smartphone by pressing power button and volume down keys at the same time and turning off your smartphone just like this. Then you're gonna have to wait until it's turned off and then restart it by holding down the power button until the Apple logo appears on your screen. And check your signal after your device is restarted. Now, if nothing has improved, then we're gonna have to, first of all, of course, try to move into an area with better coverage. So move outside of the building if you can. But if this solution is not applicable for you, then we can reset network settings as a last resort. However, after that, you're gonna have to repair all your Bluetooth devices and also reconnect to all the saved Wi-Fi networks on your smartphone. However, in order to reset network settings, you have to go to General in Settings, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, then select Reset Network Settings and confirm. And then wait until this operation is completed. Once the networks are reset, you're gonna have to check your cellular status once again in settings. However, right now we're gonna have to wait until the phone is restarted once again, and it will be in just a couple of seconds. Okay, so right now, unlock your phone, go to Settings, go to Cellular, make sure that the cellular data is enabled, and make sure that the line of your carrier is turned on. And so right now, if you are still experiencing signal issues, you should contact your carrier and ask if there are outages on their side, and also check your data plan just in case. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.